to first start from the compression. Okay, compression. How many times do we compress? 30 times. Okay, 30 to 2. This is the ratio for CPR. And this is what you have to do. There are 4 things we have to understand. Ratio, 30 to 2. Second is place, which is the
between the nipples and the xiphoid.
Yes, between the nipples or xiphoid process is third position. Third is depth, yes,
5 to 6 centimeters.
5 to 6 centimeters down, and the last is frequency. Okay, so speed. How fast do you have to compress?
100 to 120
1?
100 to 120 per minute.
Yes. Around 2 times per second. Okay, so and when we place the arm, palm, try to use as less surface as possible. Okay. Sometimes we can make the interlock of the arms, the hands. Okay. Do 30 times. If you compress like this with your muscles, it's also fine, but you get tired. Okay, I don't know how long are you planning to provide a CPR, but if you use your muscles, you get tired very well. That's why try to use your body weight in order to support yourself. Okay, and compress with your body weight. Don't make like this, or don't make like this. Or
And you should continue it until the ambulance arrives.
yes. So the patient heart beating is not good. Patient breathing is not so good. So we have to help them. We have to breathe for the patient. We have to pump the blood for the patient. Okay, until the ambulance comes, or until we see the signs of the death. Okay. 30 times. And breathing is a bit challenging with these 2 patients. Okay, why it's challenging? Because we have so many cases of air leakage. In order to prevent the leakage, we have to close the nose firmly, and tilt the chin. And when you breathe, don't make a tube with your mouth. Okay, we have to open your mouth and we have to cover the patient's mouth completely. Only then we can see the elevation of the chest. If the chest is not elevating, then our ventilation is not correct. Okay. Okay, chest elevated, 2 times enough. Okay, and return back. You can do it together with your friend. Okay, if you compress at the time of the compression, your colleague or partner is checking the pulse. Okay, checking the pulse. And during ventilation, your partner or colleague is checking the elevation of the chest. Sounds good?